Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to repair Windows 11 using command prompt. Now let's get started. Step 1. First click on the search box and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right click on it and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Step 2. For the first command, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command scans your system files and automatically fixes any corrupted or missing files on your computer. Wait for the scan to complete before moving to the next step. Step 3. Open command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Step 4. Now type DISM/online/cleanupimage/check-health and press Enter. This command checks whether there are any issues with the Windows system image. Step 5. Once that finishes, type DISM/online/cleanupimage/scan-health and press Enter. This scan looks for corruption in the Windows component store and may take a few minutes to complete. Step 6. Open command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. After that, type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore-health and press Enter. This command uses Windows Update to download and replace corrupted system files, so make sure you're connected to the internet. Step 7. For the final step, open command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Step 8. Now type CHKDSK/F/ and press Enter. If you see a message asking to schedule the scan, type Y and press Enter. This command checks your hard drive for errors and bad sectors and attempts to fix them. Step 9. Once all scans are complete, restart your computer. During startup, Windows will perform the disk check, and this should help fix most system-related problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.